I'm Carl Tyler. I'm a family physician and full-time faculty with the Cleveland Clinic's Family Medicine Residency. My involvement and focus on the health care of individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities started when I was in private practice in a semi-rural county in Ohio. And by chance or design, I met an individual who was assisting persons living in state institutions to return to the community and live there, and they needed a primary care physician. And so when he asked me about it, I said, well, I wasn't really trained in how to take care of people with disabilities, but I'll give it my best shot. And as I started to take care of these individuals, I found there is very little literature about how to provide primary care for adults with intellectual and other developmental disabilities. And I learned as much as I could from people in the disabilities field and from patients themselves and their families. And after about 10 years, I found there was still very little in the literature about how to care for these folks. And that propelled me to go into academics. And so I sold my share of the small group practice, went to Case Western Reserve, did a fellowship in faculty development fellowship where I concentrated in aging and disability, and took a full-time teaching position. And this area has become my life's work and passion. And I believe that family physicians can have a tremendous impact on the health and function and quality of life with adults with intellectual and other developmental disabilities. And I'm very happy that that we have this grant-funded project to create a national curriculum for primary care physicians to learn about how to better care for this population. And my hope is that residencies, faculty involved with curriculum development will look at this and will adopt what makes sense for their local residency to better train their residents and medical students about this field, and interested to hear feedback and critique and how to refine this further. So thank you all.